I was tired and frustrated of standing all day and working for a boss who didn't pay me enough. I wanted to break free from the 9 to 5 rat race. At that time, I was struggling. I had to wake up every morning, and that meant I had to follow a schedule, which I didn't enjoy. Waking up early in the morning, all the time, every day. That made me so frustrated. Then I felt like giving up after what happened. But then, as a chance of something amazing happened, then I found this flagship course and everything changed. What I was able to do and what money I was starting to generate, which was awesome. And then never again I had to deal with customers or shipping or anything like that. That's why I took the chance to do affiliate marketing. In the end, it allowed me to generate passive income. But before that, I was too much into buying shiny objects that ended up making me no money or no passive income. But then I found Bill and Max's flagship course, but it is really worth it. This means you don't have to look for traffic. Traffic will come to you if you learn everything in this membership flagship course called Break the Norm. No more shiny objects, and you can start making high ticket sales. In the end, so my objective is to get enough money for my family and not struggle anymore. And that's what I want for the same for you. So click the link down below in this video and get started.